Hey guys, my name is Fabricio and I study in Peru at the Universidad del Pacífico. I know you're in the middle of your application process, that's why I want to show you how to apply to UP from wherever you are. First, visit the site landedapplication.up.edu.pe. Once on the webpage, you'll see there are two options. Choose wisely. Just kidding. Let's start with application form. First thing it says, you'll need your passport, but only the first page with your personal information. Do you need the rest of the pages? No, you don't. Won't be necessary. Then it says, last transcript of records. Remember, this can be an official or unofficial document, as long as it contains all of your academic information. Now, let's go with health insurance certificate. Let's pause for a second. This is a very important part. The certificate you submit has to include, first, your personal information, and second, the coverage dates, as your insurance should cover your whole stay. 183 days for one semester and 365 days for 2 semesters. Also, the coverage must match your flying dates. For example, if your arriving flight is scheduled for February 15th and the departing flight for July 15th, you must be covered by insurance at least from February 15th to July 15th. If the coverage is longer, great, but it shouldn't be less than that. Now, let's move on to proof of level for language of instruction. That means if you want to take a class in a language that is not your mother tongue, then you will need to send a document validating that information. For example, if you come from France and you want to take a class in English and you've got your TOEFL, then you will need to send it. But remember, we don't request a specific certificate. So, just fill the rest of the fields with your information. This is very, very simple. Remember to fill each one of them. And then we arrive in this section. Here's where you upload all of the documents I mentioned at the beginning in PDF format. They won't be taken into account unless they are in PDF, so be very careful with this step. Remember, your passport first page, your academic records, your health insurance, and your language certificate. Finally, once we're in this part, we click Send Application. And that's it. Now, you need to wait until Universidad del Pacífico emails you your acceptance letter. Now, let's check the following form. Go back to homepage and click on Visa Application Form. As you can see, you are requested to submit only 2 documents, in PDF file, of course, your flight or bus ticket, and your financial resources proof. This can be a bank account statement or a letter from your bank. In case the account isn't yours, you will have to submit a sworn statement indicating that the owner of the account will cover your whole expenses. Let me pause for a second again to make clear the minimum funds in the bank account must be $3,500 even if those are in another currency. Also, the name of the owner of the account must be visible in the document you submit. So, we upload the PDF files, fill these blank fields with our information, and then we move to Peruvian Consulate from where you will pick up your visa form. Once in here, you will have to inform the address of the consulate you choose. If you don't remember it, just click the link in blue. You will find it easily. Then, where it says address in Lima, type the address of the place where you will be staying. It can be temporary accommodation, no problem with that. This and all the requirements we've covered are demanded by the Peruvian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, not by the university. That's why it is crucial to follow all the instructions carefully. And now, we are ready to click on Send Application. And that's all. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you come soon, we might meet here at the Universidad del Pacífico. Come join us. Ciao!